Hey, cooking food at home is a wonderful way of living healthier and losing weight. So I'm going to start a series of videos on how to prep food, starting today with the important parsley. Parsley is really a wonderful powerhouse as it fights disease and cancer, it strengthens your immune system, it helps your digestion, strengthens your bones, and it really supports your heart. So it's super easy actually to prepare. I used to really pick up every single leaf separately and then started chopping it, but you really don't have to do that. All you gotta do is wash it thoroughly. I even keep this tag on. I wash it thoroughly, and as I get to chopping, I take the whole thing and cut it at the end, and then I chop the whole thing with stems as they are, as healthy and filled with nutrition as the leaves themselves. So that's all you gotta do. Keep chopping until they have your desired consistency and you're good to go.